Hi, this is Ruthie. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. You know you rock. Today I am excited to bring you some plant mail from a wonderful lady. This is Emma from my succulent garden. I was so fortunate to do a succulent swap with her. I had seen her do one a couple of months back with Emily from the succulent greenhouse. Sorry, I had to check my little notes because forgetful. And I was so jealous and hopeful that one day I could be able to do a succulent swap with her because she has an amazing garden, some amazing plants, and I was so fortunate to get to do a succulent swap with her. She offered it and I was like, heck yeah, let's do this. And we did. It felt like a year before I got the box, which clearly it didn't take that long. It was just a couple of days, but I'm super impatient. So I'm super excited to get this open and share it with you. And I will link her information up above. She has a wonderful channel, some beautiful plants, so please check her out because you will not be disappointed. Also, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you know when I post something new. Let's get to it.
Hi Ruthie subscribers. Just to introduce myself real quick, my name is Emma from my succulent garden here on YouTube. Super excited to be a part of Ruthie's awesome channel. I love all your DIYs, Ruthie. They're so awesome, so beautiful. Love your garden. I hope you enjoy all the cuttings I sent you.
I love the cuttings. I hope you get yours soon and that you love them as much as I love yours.
So excited to the swap. So excited to get cuttings from your garden. I really hope that you enjoy all the cuttings I sent, and I look forward to maybe doing another swap with you in the future.
Heck yeah, let's do this.
Talk to you later. Bye.
I hope you can see well. I'm in my living room. I don't typically have very good lighting, and I'm in my pajamas, but I wanted to open the box, so there it is. So this is, first of all, I want to show how cute. Disregard that. I had to, first of all, she put this little cactus picture. It looks like she hand drew it. So cute. And to Ruthie Succulent Obsession, fragile plant mail, and I agree, plant mail is the best mail. Alright, so let's get to it. I'm done. I need to see my new babies. And this says, hi Ruthie, I hope you love all these succulents from my garden, Emma. Super cute. Thank you, Emma. So Crassula, Echeveria, string of hearts, string of pearls, and Burkhardt. Can't go wrong. Those are the things I wanted. So the first thing, and you know what? I think I'm gonna, let me see if I can. And she has everything packaged really lovely. Ooh. Little baby embocada, so cute. And rooted, beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful embocada. Beautiful, Emma, thank you. So beautiful. So that's that. And as you all know, I had a big problem getting embocada, so I told her anything embocada, I'm all for it. Okay. I don't want to miss anything. Alright. I gotta double check because I had someone ask me before when I was doing an unboxing, was that tissue paper or was there something in there? And I kind of doubted myself afterwards. I was like, oh my god, did I throw something out? But no, it was just tissue paper. Ooh, another baby embocada. Oh my god, too cute. Look at little baby. Cutie. I love it. I love it. And she has a beautiful garden. As I mentioned before, please check out her channel. You're gonna love it. She has some beautiful plants, and she does some really lovely arrangements. I love it. Okay. Oh, these crassulas are beautiful. Oh my God. Beautiful. I don't know if you can see the color, but it has red edges. I'm gonna try and see if I can video in the sunlight tomorrow, or well, by the time I get home it's already dark. And then I have some other crassulas. Sorry, I'm trying to be gentle. They shipped really well. I feel like my fat fingers are the only thing you see in the frame. Alright, let's see. Beautiful. Healthy little cuttings. And Mia's like right there. What are you smelling, Mia? What are you doing? Want to say hi? There she goes. She's always in my business. My husband says that she, if she could, she'd be in my womb. If she's always wants to be next to me. Alright. This is nothing for you to eat. Ooh, what's this? Let me see if it says what's on there. This is, I don't know what this is. Maybe it's a different kind of a crassula. I don't have this, so this is new to me. Hold on, it's like, all I see is my big old fingers. Wreck-It Ralph fingers. Oh. Jeez, I don't wanna harm them. So pretty. Look at that. I love them all so far. Alright, my hair is out of control right now. This is just, oh my Lord. Some more crassula. I love them. So pretty. Can you see them? So pretty. Yeah, so for any crassula you have, I love them. And I never really find them in the stores I go to. So definitely any crassulas I'm happy with. And oh my goodness, what is this? Wow, this is a bunch of them. Is this? Oh wow. I think this is like some kind of a crassula. I have a bunch of it. Wow, awesome. Like a fistful. I mean, my fistful is huge, so look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, okay, wait a second. I think she sent this in. I don't wanna miss anything because I'm terrible like that. Yeah, these are delicates. I guess she sent them in a little pot. So this is the string of hearts, a cutting. It has like a little bulb. Hope you can see it, a little bulb. It's a string of hearts, really beautiful. I'm trying to give you the best view without harming them. So I don't want to fuss around with it too much and ruin it. So I'm gonna put it back in here. Oh, wait a second. I think there's another one in here mixed in. See, I have to really look because I'm. Wow, I've never had it. And look at it, it's so weird. It looks like a little baby white potato. The bulb. And that's another string of hearts. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I love it, Emma. I don't have this in my inventory, so this is new to me. What else? Sorry. I'm gonna put it back in here. That I know it's in there. And then I have string of pearls. A nice cutting. 2. Wow, nice and healthy. These are like fat ones. Oh. That just happened. Mia almost just ate that because I dropped it. Okay, that's 1. And here's the second one. And this one has roots. Beautiful. Oh, I'm gonna pot these up. Really happy with these. So, let me make sure I didn't miss anything because I'm good for that, and I don't want anyone saying, hey, check in there. Did you miss something? So I feel like I'm good for that. So I have a bunch of different crassula that I didn't own before. I'm super happy about that. Okay, so I have some crassula. Beautiful ones. Really nice cuttings. I love this one. You can see the red edges. Really beautiful. My favorites, the imbricatas. I'll probably put them in with the imbricatas I bought recently from Mountain Crest. 2 beautiful, nice plump string of pearl cuttings. 2 string of hearts. Really beautiful. I don't have these. You can see the nice bulb. I don't know what these are. They're possibly some kind of a crassula, but I'm not sure. I don't have them, so that's super cool. And this fistful of, it looks like crassula. A bunch of it. So awesome. So this is my succulent swap with Emma from my succulent garden. I will link her information up above, and she'll be probably getting my box shortly as well because we sent it out the same day. But I did get a notification that because of the forest fires in California, there would be a delay in her shipment. So I think I'm gonna put all of the crassula in one pot for now, and I'm thinking this is a crassula. I'm not sure. I think I need to go deeper than this. I have to take some of this out. Dried leaves. And it's nice because these have roots already, so I can just pot them up. And I think I'm going to put the string of hearts and string of pearls in here with them. This is a really nice one. Nice and plump, and I think it's going to do well. this one on this side. Actually, I'll put these on this side and then the string of hearts on the other side. So this was really like this. I love these embricottas, they're so pretty. Alright, and then the string of hearts, I'm going to put them on this side. I do need like a hanging planter for them, for the string of hearts and string of pearls, but I don't have any that aren't occupied. And I want to keep a good eye on these cuttings. The bulb, so cool. This is the embricottas, the string of pearls, and the string of hearts. They're really beautiful. I'm really happy with these, Emma. I love them. Thank you very much. The string of pearls are beautiful. I've been coveting them for a long time. If anyone's watched any of my videos, I'm always looking for them when I go to the stores, and they're like elusive to me. So these are nice and plump, and I think they're gonna propagate really nicely. I have little tiny cuttings that I've been trying to propagate, but they're taking forever, and I think I'll have better luck with these. That's one, and I'll probably put some decorative rocks later. I just didn't have any on hand right now. And that's that. And then I have all the crassula in this pot. I don't think I did a very great job putting them together, but I just wanted to pot them up so that I don't have a problem with them. And like I said, I'll probably put some top dressing on them. I don't know that I should water them just yet, but I did want to get them in the soil. And I think they're gonna do really well too. Really beautiful, Emma. And I did tell her that I wanted to get a bunch of crassulas. I need to up my crassula game, and she definitely hooked me up with that. So I'm really happy with this. And these are things that I can definitely use in all the arrangements I make. So hopefully they'll propagate really well. But that's pretty much it. I'm really happy with everything I got. Emma from My Succulent Garden. I love the cuttings. I'm really happy with them, and I hope they flourish under my care. I hope you get your package soon and that you love your stuff as much as I love mine. Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so that you know when I post something new. I hope you guys have a happy holiday, a safe holiday, and a very Merry Christmas. Till next time.